So students, we are going to discuss about the second term project of life science, and the project for the second term is genetic disorders. So if you all can see it clearly, I have written here it is genetic disorder. In genetic disorder, you have to start with the introduction first, and what should be in the introduction. Okay, in the introduction you will write about what are chromosomes, what are genes, DNA and RNA, and after that give a gist that how genes, chromosome, DNA and RNA they are interlinked with one another, right? After that you will write, I have written here this point for you all so that you all can write it down in your project. So you have to write it down that there are some genetic disease which are classified into two broad categories. One is called the Mendelian disorder and second is called the chromosomal disorder. In the Mendelian disorder, it is acquired due to the mutation in the genes, and in the chromosomal disorder it is acquired due to the mutation in the chromosome, right? After that, in the next page, what you have to write that how these genetic disorders are spread in a population. Okay, after mentioning this, you will enter into some of the common genetic diseases. 3 of the common genetic diseases it is given in your book. Okay, you can write 1 from there and 2 you have to write it by your own. Okay, so 1 should be there from the which have been given in the book, and 2 genetic disorders you have to write it which is not given in the book, some common genetic disorder which is caused in the population. So after this, so I have to write first that how these genetic disorders are spread in a population, and then you have to write that how then you have to mention 3 common genetic disorders. Okay, 1 from the book you can write, you can take the help from the book, and 2 you have to write it by yourself. Next, last page it will be the conclusion page, and in the conclusion you will write that how these genetic disorders can be prevented. And after that you have to write, you all know the orders in which you have to first write the content, after that you have to write the acknowledgement, then you have to give this introduction part which I have mentioned, the body of the project which I have mentioned about this, then you have to write the conclusion, and at the last you have to write the bibliography or the reference. Okay, hopes you have understood. If there is any doubt, do ask me in the comment section of the WhatsApp. Thank you.